Are you like me and you didn't know that CSV stood for comma separated values? Well, now you know. CSV stands for comma separated values. Anyways, I am kind of obsessed with trying to figure out how to use CSV. You can bulk create in Canva with CSV. Um, and this lady gives an example of how to do it with Chat GPT info. And I know other YouTubers have done that as well. But I'm just trying to gather the information so that I can figure out how to use CSV to hopefully get the info from my designs to put it into um, Flying Upload, or bring the stuff from Flying Upload into my designs. I know there's Merch Titans, but I'm just trying to figure all this out for right now. Um, so let's listen to her talk about CSV.
Is bulk create. And now what we want to do is we're going to enter our data manually using the list that Chat GPT generated for us. So we'll go into Chat GPT and copy that list. So we'll use this one. We'll just copy the list, copy, and we'll come back into Canva. And we're going to say enter the data manually. You'll see there's already some examples there. We'll just clear the table, and it's a good idea to just put word in there just as the title of that column, and then just paste all the values that you've got from ChatGPT. Then we'll go done. And then once that's done, we'll come to that word teacher that we want to modify into the 50 variations, and we'll right click and we'll do connect data, and it will say we want to connect the data that we've just loaded and called the column word, and then it will change whatever we had there to say word. So don't worry, we're still on the right track. So now when we come here, we can see that Canva has uploaded our list of 50 variations for our t-shirt. So we'll just click continue, and now we can see all our full list of 50. Then we just say generate 50 designs. And there we go. We have our 50 designs. And so what you'll just do now is to look through, like you can see some words like accountant, maybe too long. So you just need to go in there and make sure that you've corrected that.
Okay, so there you go. It's a great example of how it can just automatically make all of these designs. What I really like about her example is that she's not using it in an Excel file. She's just directly copying and pasting from Chat GPT. So that, to me, seems easier than what other people have seen, what I've seen other people use with the Excel file. Now, for the Canvas system that's in my designs, I don't know if you can do the CSV bulk create in the Canvas system. I have a feeling that you can, I just don't know. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. I like to use Canva and then import into my designs. To me, it's easier than using the Canvas system. Let me know what you guys think, and I'm going to get this figured out eventually. Take care.